In our vowels, we encountered 6 vowels. We've noticed this in our vocabulary. A, E, O, U. This one, the letter E is an A sound, but we have to put a letter E with the hyphen with the A sound. A. So, in order to differentiate the sound, writing it, say for example, I would write the word washte. Washte. A. You can hear that A sound. But if I write the other one, chanu sa. A. Chanu sa. It's not a nasal, it just has that sound of chanu sa, dragging it. That's the sound that we encounter through our vocabulary. So this will be included in our vowels from here on in to know the sound and to be able to read it and differentiate the sound. A. It will have a hyphen at always. This sound will have a hyphen. A.